In today's free online video editing tutorial in Capcut, I'm going to be showing you guys and girls how to create a free online talking AI avatar for Capcut PC. If you want to learn how to make YouTube content effortlessly, click the link down below and subscribe to the channel if you find value. Once you have Capcut PC, click New Project. If you don't know how to get Capcut PC, you can go on Google, Microsoft, or whatever browsing software engine that you use and type in Capcut. Click on the website, slap the download, wait for that to open, and then now you'll be given this prompt. You may or may not have to sign in as well, but now we're going to click New Project. And once you have your project in, there's a couple ways to create the free voice AI avatar or a character in Capcut PC. You can import an audio or a video piece, and then you can drag it on your timeline. But in this case, I'm going to go over here, and I'm going to click the microphone icon, which says record. And I'm going to record some audio, so I'll be right back. This is a test for the free online. Okay, so once you have your audio piece or your video, in this case, if you did have a video, it would appear right here, and you want to click on the video. Let's just say right click, and then you can unlink it, and then the audio would be right here. I'll share some screenshots or something on how to do that as well. Okay, so for the beginning, go over, and you can zoom in or zoom out. You want to right click on your audio piece, and then click this option, transcript-based editing. It's going to analyze your audio clip, and wait for this to load. Okay, and now on the top left hand of your screen, you will see this transcript, and you have your text. So if you click and hold, you notice that it highlighted your text. Now you should get these two options, delete or text template. Click the second one where it says text template. And in this case, there's a whole list of different texts right here that you can choose from. Now choose whichever text you want to use for this tutorial. In this case, I'm going to click this one, so I'm going to download that text. And then I'm going to click this little plus icon. And as you can see, it added onto the timeline and onto the video preview. Okay, now, so if you really want, you can highlight your audio and you can delete it, because now when you click your text layer, you want to go over to the top right hand screen and click the third option where it says AI characters. And this is where it gets really cool, guys. Trust me, because the before and after this is going to blow your mind. So be sure to stick to the very end of the video for a massive surprise. Okay, and once this has loaded, we have a whole list of AI characters. You can see I'm scrolling up or I'm scrolling down, and there are so many AI characters or avatars that we can choose from. In this case, I'd like this person right here, looks like a monk, so I'm going to click this, download, and then I'm going to click add at the bottom right hand screen. And now it's going to be generating the speech on your text layer. This may or may not take some time depending on your computer specs, so wait for this to load and I will be right back. Okay, so now since it says character has been applied, as you can see, we have our free AI character avatar, and this is what this sounds like when you click the play button.
This is a test for the free online Capcut PC voice AI character or avatar tutorial.
Okay, so I'm actually blown away, but the voice sounds a little bit off, and basically if you want to edit, you can go over to the top right screen and click character settings, and you can update your avatar or choose something else if you'd like. Okay, now once I found the free AI avatar, or at least I found another one, this is what it sounds like.
This is a test for the free online Capcut PC voice AI character or avatar tutorial.
Notice that this male sounds so much better than the previous one.
This is a test for the free online Capcut PC voice AI character or avatar tutorial.
This is a test for the free online Capcut PC voice AI character or avatar tutorial.
As you can tell, English is on point, and this is exactly what you want for a video. In this case, you have so many other AI avatars or characters. You can even choose for a female and click OK.
This is a test for the free online Capcut PC voice AI character or avatar tutorial.
Wow, I'm actually blown away. Tip or a trick, if you want, you can now click your text and delete. And if you click your avatar or your video layer, you can go under to script, the second option, and you can type in more of whatever you want your avatar to say. So in this case, I want you to say, oh. And once you're happy with the text, you can click OK to apply the speech. So notice that our free AI character, or our female, is transparent. So basically, you can even add an image to the background. So I'm going to choose an image. I'll be right back. Basically, I'm going to add this picture or this 4K image of a beach. I'm basically dragging it below our our AI character, and I'm extending it to the right. And as you can see now, this is what we have.
This is a test for the free online Capcut PC Voice AI character or avatar tutorial. So in this case, I want you to say thank you for watching this video and subscribe to the channel for more free online AI avatar.
Wow, so this is nearly perfect. The last best tip I can give you guys, if you click your video and hold the Alt up, it's basically gonna add a duplicate. Now, it doesn't stop there. If you go under to script, you can update your script, but guess what? If you want this to say something else, you can also click OK to update your speech, but in this case, I'm going to click Ctrl+A. I'm going to copy the speech or the text, and then I'm going to change the character settings. Basically, this layer that we just created, I can move this to the left, and I can now update our voice AI character, let's say to a male, and then I'll click OK. And then while this is loading, again, I'm going to Ctrl+A, Ctrl+V to update the text of our new AI character and click OK. Okay, now, so as you can see, we have two AI characters. We have a male and we have a female. And this is what this looks like.
This is a test for the free online
Capcut
PC Voice AI character or
Wow, I'm actually blown away. If you want to learn more on how I edit my videos and save hundreds of hours and money per year, then consider clicking the link down in. Again, if you're interested in saving hundreds of hours and money per year and make YouTube videos effortlessly, then click the links down below. Thanks for watching this video. Check out the playlist for more videos like this and subscribe to the channel for more content.